How to prank it up. Well, welcome back to How to Prank It Up. I'm with my buddy Lucas today, and we're going to go over the bone poppers. How do you use these things? What's the trick behind a loud pop? Check it out. Ooh! Dude, looked like your head was about to pop off. Oh, sounds gross. Bone poppers, these are the most popular item I have on prankkits.com. You just go, ah! And you make the loudest bone crunching popping sound ever with these things. Oh, that's gross. They come in your package, you get them flat, and then try to open it up.
Takes a little. You like bend it out.
That's hard, right? The more you open and pop it and close it, and open it and close it, the easier it's gonna be. The louder the pop will be as well. So use it a lot before like you start doing it. But the best way I do it is I just do one side. I pull one side like that, right? Then I'll turn it over and I'll pull the other side. Boom. You pop it, and when you wanna open it up again, you're gonna pull these ends open, and then at the same time, pull. Should open all of them right there. You turn it over, open this side and this side a little bit. Bam. And then if there's anything like left over, it's really easy to pop it open. Go with one side like this and just pull it. So you have like a little hill, see? And then you can turn over here and pull it the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was way better, right? And then when you want to use it, you kind of want to try and conceal it, right? So no one can see it. Like if you're doing like this, people can see that, right? Kind of conceal it to the front maybe. Sounds gross. You want to have these set up in your pockets, and then you have the one that you're gonna pull initially. So you go up to someone like, oh dude, I gotta go to the chiropractor, man. Does this sound normal? Oh, and they're gonna go, ooh, gross. You take this and you palm it somewhere, put in your pocket, right? And you can be like, yeah, even my elbow is kind of weird. Like, oh my God, this guy's popping everywhere. And then you got a third one, right? You can do it like my shoulder, whatever, you're just popping, you're breaking, your whole bone is falling, your whole body's falling apart.
I like the neck, like, cause like some people crack their neck.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like they're like just sitting there, like go.
So that's how you use the bone popper. These are my most popular prank item. I just wanted to give you guys a couple of tricks and tips on how to open them and use them. And if you're gonna do any of these, film the reactions and send them to me for a shout out on Instagram.
Happy Friday, folks. I think it's time to mess with somebody. I'm about to go in this convenience store and get a cup of ice water. And I want to see if the lady behind the counter can help me with this neck ache. She's got to have like a goodies powder or something that can help me like when I pop my neck like that, this really hurts. Ow. Yes, man. Do you have anything for like, yeah, just ice water. Do you have anything for like a neck ache? Like when I do this, watch this.
Oh, God.
You hear that?
Oh, don't do that no more. I can't stand pain.
That hurt.
I've got this thing I'm gonna go. It's called a neck popper. It's a neck popper right here. You gonna get my home? I'm gonna go play a joke on Kathy.
That one's not working.
Like a cricket in my neck or something.
What? Ow! Daddy! That ain't good. Don't do. What in the world did you just do?
What did you do,
Daddy?
Did you hear that?
What did you just do? You just broke your neck.
That was nasty.
What did he do? Did you hear it?
Just send it to me on Instagram if you want a shout out.
You should do a giveaway.
These ones, these three? All right. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you want these to be a giveaway. All right, we'll do the giveaway. All you guys gotta do in the comments, comment bone popper. If you want one of these, I'll pick 3 random winners to send them to you. New video going up tomorrow. We Super Bowled his brother as a prank on his brother, Super Bowl prank.
Why you doing? Is that my car? Is that really my car?
Pretty sure no one's ever done this before. Live inspired, shock the world.
See you next time.